I'm ready to go to Kavule and kneel and beg and say, please, you represent an important constituency in Uganda.
Nobert agamba wakujjayo nagombuto okumatiza NUP okwegata ku mukago gu Ipod agambe sira balijje ku ssente eziggibwayo balize ku nkolagana y'ebibiina.
The way how Mau is disparate for NUP to go in Ipod. Oyinza n'okulowooza nti NUP okutagenda mu Ipod Mau takyebaka ku mukazi we oba takyalya kyakiro. Ekyekiro mukimanyi? Oyinza n'okulowooza nti NUP bw'eba tegenze mu Ipod Mau anaatera okufa because the way Mau is disparate for NUP to go in Ipod. You can imagine. Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Mr. Honorable Mau, Nobert Mau. We want you to first go and fulfill your duty as a Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs to tell your Ipod members and the bosses Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to release all political prisoners. That's when we are going to know that you are Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. Nobert Mau. Tubadde tukusaba. Otugambire ku mukama we yakuwa omulimu gw'obwa minister. Era nakuwa omulimu omulungi nnyo ogw'ettendo mu ggwanga Uganda. The way how you are desperate for NUP to go in Ipod to sit with your boss. And you are ready to at Kavula and kneel down and beg. Do that exactly and go and kneel down in front of Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba, your bosses, and tell them to release all political prisoners and give back our people, our missing 18. Among of those, John Bosco Chibalamandi Damulira. If you do that, NUP maybe they will think about it and come in Ipod, but I don't think so. Nobert Mau akasente kamusuza teyebase. Nobert Mau alinga atakyalya. Nobert Mau anaatera kugenda kutandika kuyonja toilet ze Kavule. You people, what are you trying to drive here? Kiki kye munoonya ku NUP? Bantu mmwe kiki kye munoonya ku NUP? Nobert Mau nga bw'oli Minister of Wassemateeka ndi biki gwamanyi tetumanyi na mulimu gwo ffe tugumanyi kubanga tulina kiwalokoze mu ggwanga Uganda. Genda ofukamire engeri gy'oyagala okufukamira olw'okufuna akasente mu Ipod lwakuba NUP terimu yabasubiza akasente. Genda ofukamire mu maaso ga Museveni ne Muhoozi obeegayirire okutaba Uganda be basibidde mu makomera olw'ebyobufuzi. That's how we are going to know that you are Minister of Justice and Constitutional Bogacivity, simanya Bogacivity and Constitutional Affairs. But stop shouting for us, you please, Nobert Mau. You can take DF, is there, PFF is there, you can take them, and this new one, because you can take all of that and you take it in Ipod and you get money. They are money-minded. You cannot think about Uganda. You cannot think about where is Uganda going. You cannot think about anything. But for you, you are just focusing on money from Ipod. It's as if when you don't have that money, you are not going to eat. You are not going to sleep with your woman. You are not going to live. What's wrong with you, Mau? Ngola zo mululu mungi. Mau. Your greed now is on high level, is now on 99% of your greed. You people, for us we are not about money, we are about Uganda. We want our country back in hands of civilians, in hands of Ugandans. But for you are just there for money, only money in your head. And you are ready to go to and beg NUP and kneel down. You first go and kneel in front of Museveni and Muhoozi to release all people, to release Eddie Mutwe, to release all Kyagulanyi's bodyguards and all political prisoners who are rotting in jail. Because those people, they are breaking the laws. They are breaking that constitution. You are what? And that kind of nonsense that you are Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. Who got justice in Uganda? Who? In front of you, like Ani anafunye obwenkanya kululwo Mau? Who? Mau, please, Mau.